Welcome to Soundline English.
Welcome, my dear friends. This lesson is perfect for English beginners. Don't worry, I'll use slow, clear, and simple vocabulary, so sit back, relax, and let's improve your English together. And remember, you can pause, repeat, and practice whenever you want. Let's get started.
David, we're at the airport. I'm so excited about this trip.
Emma, me too. Traveling is always an adventure. I love discovering new places.
Before we go through check-in, let's ask our viewers, what's your dream travel destination? Where would you love to visit? Share in the comments.
Great question. Airport English is essential for travelers. Today, we'll learn useful vocabulary together.
This is my first time flying to Paris. I've always wanted to visit France.
Paris is beautiful. I've been there twice before. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, amazing.
I'm nervous and excited at the same time. International travel feels like a big adventure.
It's normal to feel nervous before flying, especially international flights to new countries.
How early should we arrive at the airport before our flight departure time?
For international flights, arrive 3 hours early. Domestic flights need about 2 hours.
Why so early? Check-in and security don't take 3 hours, do they?
Sometimes lines are long, especially during busy travel seasons. Better safe than sorry.
Did you pack everything? Passport, tickets, clothes, all your important travel documents?
Yes, I made a checklist yesterday. Passport, boarding pass confirmation, travel insurance, everything ready.
I always worry about forgetting something important. Let me check my bag again.
That's smart. Double-checking prevents problems later at security or boarding gate areas.
Do you prefer window seats or aisle seats on airplanes?
Window seats. I love watching clouds and seeing cities from above during takeoff.
I prefer aisle seats. Easy bathroom access and more legroom for stretching occasionally.
Both have advantages. Middle seats are nobody's favorite, though, right?
Let's go inside and start our airport journey. Check-in first, then security.
Perfect. Remember, stay together and keep documents ready at all times.
Airport procedures can feel complicated, but they're necessary for safe travel worldwide.
Once we understand the process, traveling becomes much easier and less stressful.
Here's the check-in counter for our airline. The line isn't too long today.
Lucky us! Sometimes check-in lines take 30 minutes or more during peak hours.
Do we check in online or at the counter? What's better?
Online check-in saves time. You can do it 24 hours before departure.
I have one suitcase to check and one carry-on bag. Is that okay?
Yes! Most airlines allow one checked bag and one carry-on per passenger.
What items are prohibited in checked baggage? I don't want any problems.
No liquids over certain amounts. No batteries. No sharp objects in carry-on bags.
Security checkpoints ahead. I always feel nervous here, even when following all rules.
Relax. Just follow instructions, remove shoes, take out electronics. It's simple.
Why do we remove shoes and belts during security screening procedures?
Metal detectors check for dangerous items. Shoes and belts sometimes contain metal parts.
Should I take my laptop out of my bag for the security scan?
Yes, laptops, tablets, large electronics need separate screening in plastic bins.
What about liquids? I have face cream and shampoo in small bottles.
Liquids must be under 100 milliliters and fit in one clear plastic bag.
Duty-free shopping. Perfume, chocolate, cosmetics. Everything looks tempting and affordable here.
Duty-free means no taxes. Prices are lower than regular stores for the same products.
Should we buy souvenirs now or at our destination in Paris?
Destination shopping shows local culture better. Duty-free has international brands mostly.
I want to buy French perfume here. It's cheaper than outside stores.
Good idea. Perfume and alcohol are popular duty-free purchases for most travelers.
How much can we buy? Are there limits on duty-free items?
Each country has different limits. Check customs regulations before buying too much.
Gate 23. We have 1 hour before boarding begins. What should we do?
Relax, grab coffee, charge phones, maybe read a book or magazine quietly.
The waiting area has comfortable seats and charging stations for electronic devices.
Some airports have lounges with better facilities. Food, drinks, quiet spaces for resting.
Our flight is on time according to the departure board. No delays today.
Perfect. Flight delays happen sometimes due to weather or technical issues, unfortunately.
What happens if we miss our connecting flight because of delays?
Airlines usually rebook you on the next available flight at no extra cost.
Boarding announcement. They're calling passengers by zones and seat numbers now.
We're in Zone 2. Let's wait until they call our zone number.
Why do they board by zones instead of all passengers together.
Organized boarding prevents crowding and speeds up the entire process significantly.
Do we show boarding passes here at the gate entrance?
Yes, gate agents scan boarding passes and check passports for international flights.
I have my boarding pass on my phone. Is digital okay?
Digital boarding passes work perfectly. Just make sure your phone battery isn't dead.
Inside the plane, finally. Finding our seats. Row 15, seats A and B.
Window and aisle. Perfect. Let me help with your carry-on in the overhead bin.
The cabin feels smaller than I expected. How long is our flight?
2 hours to Paris. Short flight, but long enough for a small meal service.
Should I turn off my phone or just airplane mode during the flight?
Airplane mode is fine. It disables signals but allows music, games, and reading.
What about seat belts? When do we wear them during the entire flight?
During takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign illuminates for safety reasons.
We're taking off. The plane is lifting off the ground. This feeling is incredible.
I love takeoff too. The powerful engine sound and acceleration feeling is amazing.
My ears feel strange during takeoff and landing. Is that normal?
Yes, pressure changes affect ears. Chewing gum or yawning helps equalize pressure.
Flight attendants are serving drinks and snacks now. I'm a bit thirsty.
I'll have coffee. What about you? They have juice, water, soft drinks too.
Tomato juice, please. I only drink tomato juice on airplanes for some reason.
That's funny. Many people drink different things on planes than on ground.
What travel tips would you give first-time international flyers?
Arrive early. Pack smart. Keep documents accessible. Stay hydrated. Be patient always.
Learning airport English vocabulary really helps reduce travel stress significantly.
Absolutely. Knowing basic phrases makes navigation easier and builds confidence quickly.
What do you enjoy most about traveling to different countries abroad?
Experiencing new cultures, trying local food, meeting people, seeing famous landmarks everywhere.
Share your travel stories with us. What's your most memorable airport experience?
Have you ever missed a flight? Got lost in a huge airport? Tell us.
Thank you for joining our airport journey today. Safe travels to everyone.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Travel vocabulary improves with experience and study.
What travel topics interest you? Hotels? Restaurants abroad? Tourist activities? Tell us.
Keep learning English. It's the international language of travel worldwide.